What's going on, guys? It's your boy, it's your mentor, Curtis the Sniper. So, guys, in this video, I'll be checking out NASDAQ and US30, and I'll be revealing or reviewing. Sorry about that. I'll be reviewing on what happened last week. What happened on the markets we analyzed last week, guys. I'll give you a weekly update on NASDAQ and US30 right now, guys. Let's just check it out. But before we start, please go down and subscribe to this channel because this channel is very, very helpful, guys. Very helpful. But then we're not there. Just go subscribe, hit that comment button, and hit that subscribe button and comment on what you want me to analyze next. And don't forget to like this video, guys. So this is gold, right? So we our entry was like this. So guys, gold, what's happening on gold? So we had a gap over here. Gold actually respected what we said. Sorry about that. Gold respected what we said, and we had a gap over here. Now the gap is closed, guys. The market finally touched our trend line, and it's above our trend line. Remember what we said: diagonal resistance and diagonal support. Right now it's above and it broke up. So this was our resistance or our diagonal resistance, right? It broke up and come back down to retest, making it a support. But we are not on gold. Let's check on US30 and NASDAQ, guys. I feel sleepy. Whenever I feel sleepy, I talk like this. NASDAQ. Hey. Nass. So in NASDAQ, guys, I use Black Bull, right? What's going on, man? Is this Nass? Oh, just one S. Okay. NASDAQ, check. Okay, NASDAQ actually respected what we said, right? It actually respected our analysis. And as you can see, we have a gap over here. We had a gap over here, and now we touched our gap, guys. Hey, right now. And remember this low right here. Remember this low. We actually predicted this low. Previous video, go watch. If you don't know what we're talking about, just know that you need to catch up, guys. Go watch our previous video. I will show them in the end of the video. At the end of the video, sorry. But now, okay, this is a support and resistance, right? This is actually our resistance. So we entered here, right? And now the market went down, made us happy, went up ish, just to scare us, and we didn't like go out of the trade. We were not stopped out. If we did it like this, then yeah, it would have been a stop out. But then we we did some good things, guys. We did some good things. This is nice. We catered our stop loss above our resistance. Why? This actually helps me. That's why now you know, guys. That's why I put this in this rectangle shape on this line, because it will help me cater my stop loss. I will know I have to put my stop loss above this line right here, this shape right here, this purple rectangle. But then let's just remove everything and refresh, so we can start the lesson. As you all know, we start in our 4-hour time frame. So in our 4-hour time frame, guys, please draw your highest point, which is right here. Now go to your daily time frame and draw your lowest point. My low point is right above this double top, below this double top, double bottom. Okay, draw a trend line like this, right? And a trend line like this. Come on now. Now I have to fix it. Why didn't I unzoom? Okay. Now that you have this, draw your current lowest point over here, and then draw your supply like this, and your demand just like this. Supply and demand. We will only play inside of our supply and demand, right? Now you have this, your daily time frame must look like this, guys. So head in your 4-hour time frame and draw a trend line. That's the first thing we need to do. Draw a trend line. So I'll start it right here and just move it up like this, because I need this breakout, this low right here. I need it outside my trend line so that my analysis will look neat. Guys, remember that your analysis must look neat for you to understand, and someone who doesn't understand this, just like make it make sense for them to actually understand what's going on here, what's actually going on here, you know. Don't put lines everywhere, because you will confuse them. Analyze like you're teaching someone and making it easy for you. You communicate through analysis. Draw a line right here, guys, and draw a line right there, and then it must look like this. Zoom in. Remember the touches, guys. Remember the touches. So it's support and resistance, right? So the touches on our trend line, those are our supports and resistances. You know what I'm saying? So draw your your support right there. Draw your support right here. This actually could, check this out. The market reversed on our support, just like this. So we had a resistance, now it's a support. Let me just make it touch. Draw your support, and then we have a touch over here, support, have a touch over here, support. There's no resistance, so my resistance will be on our highest point, just like this, and then draw a line going like this. This will help us cater our stop loss, guys. Draw a line over here. This is not even a line, this is a rectangle. Draw a rectangle over here, just like this, and then zoom in to your 1-hour time frame. Now we know what's going on in the charts, right? We know what's going on in the daily and 4-hour time frame. The daily time frame, we saw what's going on. Now we in the 1-hour time frame. We want to see what's really happening in the charts, you know. So draw a trend line going like this. Should I consider this as a breakout? If I consider this as a breakout, just know that the market will continue selling, guys. So I would say it's a breakout. I like to listen to my analysis instead of fixing it like this. But if the market buys, just know we should have did this. But right now, if the market sells, then we are good with this. We are fine with this decision we're making. Because now this is actually a decision. Must we do this and hope for buys, or must we do this and hope for sells? I am listening to my trend line. I am listening to this touch over here. I feel like these touches are important, so they won't be manipulated just like that. See, they won't be manipulated just like that. So I would say it's this. I choose this. We will sell for for a bit and then come back up and buy. Maybe until here. Maybe until this gap. We have to close this gap over here. Draw your second trend line going like this. Let's zoom in and see what's going on here. Is it a buy or sell? Because to me, it's a sell right now. to me it's a sell right now. So we have our trend line in the 1 hour time frame, so I won't do this to confuse you guys. So instead I'll draw a line on this low right here, on this high right here, because I feel like it's valid, and then draw your rectangle going like this. So as you all know, this is a resistance, and we sell in a resistance, we don't buy, right? So if the market is selling, it will do this, come back down here, break here, cause why not? This is NASDAQ, and then continue our sell until the gap over here. Let me just draw a line on this beginning of the gap and the low of the gap, somewhere here, the beginning or the low of the gap. It might come back down here and buy, or come back down here and buy. But if ever we choose our trend line like this, then we see the market manipulating this, retesting this high right here. Actually, it's actually retesting this high and buy like this, come back down to retest and go up like this. So we have to wait, guys. We either have to be here or be down here to enter. Me, I'm not safe. I won't be safe like this. This is not safe. No, short position. But right now I see short position. So let's just enter for shorts and hope for the best. Not even a long buy. I don't think it's a long buy. We still have to close in our trend line. We still have to finish the trend line that we started here. We still have to go up there, but the market goes up and down. Right now it's on a low. I feel like it will buy, guys. It will buy. If ever we're selling, where are we going? Let's check. Because this line, we retested this line. How can it disrespect this line? Okay, I'm confident with the sells. Not highly confident, but then I won't actually enter when the market open. I will actually wait for the market. I enter around 3 o'clock. So if the market is above this line over here around 3, then I'm a buy. But then if the market is down here, somewhere here, maybe below this line right here, then I'm gonna enter for sells. This time you wait, boys. This is when you wait. Don't be greedy. You wait for here, you enter down here, or you enter up there. Right now, that's what I see. So let's check on US30. So US30 must make it clear that we are selling or buying. We want to see if we are selling or buying, unless it's giving us the same thing. But I feel like US30 is showing us buy. If it's showing us buys, then NASDAQ, our analysis, is a buy. So you know when to move your trend line. Oh, we already have a high over here, so let's just do this. Draw a high on your highest point. Draw a line on your highest point in the 4-hour time frame. Then go to your daily time frame and draw a line over here, just like this, and then draw a trend line going like this, right? Yo, we have 3 touches, guys, and draw a trend line going like this, just like this, and then draw your lowest point, and then draw a trend line going like this, and did I say trend line? Ain't no ways I said I'm too focused. Guys, I'm in the zone actually. That's why I don't blink. I don't know if you noticed. I'm in the zone actually. I can see what the market is doing. I zoned in the charts. Go to your 4-hour time frame. This is me reading the markets. Never mind. Welcome. I was about to say welcome to Curtis the Snipe. Reading the charts. But then, we're not there. Draw a trend line like this. Hey. Okay, let's just do this. Draw a trend. What? Draw a trend line. Going like this. Right? So, what did you say on NASDAQ? So, we have a touch over here. Cater your touches, right? So, let's just cater this touch, the higher touch, because it makes sense, right? And then cater this touch over here. Right there. And then, this low over here. Now we're done. Because we don't have a current low. We don't have a low that's current to this one right here. We don't have a touch that's current to this one over here. So please draw your rectangle. It will help you know when to put your stop loss. This one will help you know if the market is above or below our line. This one, it's this one because it's too far from the market. I would say right now it's still useless unless it's take profit. Yeah, you can say that. So I think we're done in the 4-hour time frame. Let's just move in and see what's really going on, because right now in US30 I see buys. So we will have to go back to NASDAQ, right? Oh wait, so yeah, so it's actually sells, guys, because we have a touch over here, right? The market broke our trend line, come back and touch. So I would say it's a touch over here. This one is a touch, right? So let's just mark it real quick. This one is a touch. Okay, so if that's a touch, then that means draw a trend line from your 1-hour time frame, and from here going like this. It's a breakout. Okay, fine. It's a breakout, and we didn't fill the trend line. We didn't continue selling and end the trend that started right here. So +1, that's a sell. 2, we broke this low, came back down to retest. This is a fresh resistance. It was a support, right? We broke, we came back down and retested. Support, break, retest. Now it's a resistance. We don't buy on resistances, we sell, right? And now we have to go down there. But then if this was gold, I'ma just say it real quick. If this was gold liked doing this. It will break, right? And you will expect it to fill in this gap over here to end this trend over there. But then gold will do this. Just retest our trend line and then come back down. Just like this. This is pure disrespect from gold. I don't know if US30 will do it too, but right now I see sales, guys. So I'm gonna enter for a short position over here. Put my stop loss above this and my take profit all the way down there. So we are positive with our sales on NASDAQ and US30, guys. But then this is my prediction on NASDAQ and US30, guys. This is what I have for you next week. I actually have this. This is what's happening. So we still have to continue buying. So the sells are short, but the buys are long, guys. The buys are long. So this is what I have.